Let us take up the mock test paper question for the examination in May 22. So the mock test paper which appeared in March 22. So the question goes like this: what are the factors you will consider as an auditor to understand the company's automated environment? See, automated environment means what? The process, the accounting, the decision making is done using a computerized system. So what are the aspects you have to understand about the computerized system? First of all, what is the information system which is being used? So what are the information system which is being used that you have to understand? What are the different applications they are using that you have to be very clear. So now whether they are financial applications, they are non-financial application. Application means it could be software. Okay, a software, a computer program. Example, Tally is an application. Then the purpose, what is the purpose of this information system? Is it financial, non-financial? Then what is the location of IT system? Is it local? Is it global? Is it within the organization or is it global in nature? That you have to see. For example, say they may have a cloud-based server where the data will be stored outside India. Data will not be there in India that way. So what is the location of IT system? Is it local, global? That you have to understand. You have to understand the architecture. The architecture, is it a desktop based? Is it a client server based? Is it a web application based actually here? Is it a cloud based? That you have to be very clear. So a desktop based, a client based, web application based and the cloud based, you have to be very clear with that. Then what are the versions? What are the versions we have actually here? When we say versions, my dear soldiers, what are the functions and the risk which are associated with these application, different application? What are the version of these application? Is it latest application? Is it the old application? That you have to be very clear. Then the interfaces with the system. What are the interfaces with the system? Suppose say in case there are multiple system, what are the interfaces with the system? That you have to understand. Then further, these application, are they in-house? Are they packaged? In-house means applications which are developed within the company, within the organization. Package means where you take a third party vendor and he has supplied the software to you, application to you. Okay. Example, say Microsoft 365, it's a packaged application. And then outsourced activity, any like for example, say IT maintenance could be outsourced. What are the outsourced activities? That also you should be very clear. And who are the key persons involved? Is it Chief Technology Officer, that is CTO? Is it Chief Information Officer, CIO? Is it Chief Information Security Officer, CISO? Or any administrator? So who are the key persons in the organization? CIO, CISO, admin. So that you have to be very clear. Okay. So any audit you do, it is very important to understand the entity and environment. But in a IT audit, more you have to understand more about the technical aspect, the IT systems, the applications, the hardware, what they are using. So all these things you should be aware. See, when we call about IT system, it is all about the hardware, the software, the people involved, the data involved. Okay. So what are the in-house application? What are the packaged application? What is the architecture? Architecture could be, as I told you, it's a desktop based, or it could be a client server based. Means client would have purchased his own server. Or it could be a cloud based. Now everything is shifting to the cloud, so it can be a cloud based also. Okay. With this, I conclude my discussion. I'll see you in the next video.